Hello, and welcome to this webinar on what's new in AutoCAD 2022. With AutoCAD 2022, you can experience the power to design, build, and create, the power to turn ideas into reality, and the power to do it on your terms. AutoCAD 2022 is packed full of value. As a subscriber, you get AutoCAD software that's trusted by millions, access to 7 industry-specific toolsets to speed up work, plus the AutoCAD web and mobile apps to get the power of AutoCAD anytime, anywhere. Today, I'm going to cover 3 key components of what's new in AutoCAD 2022. First, I will share how you can work faster with new CAD automations and how the specialized toolsets speed up work by automating tasks so you can focus on what's important. Second, I will discuss the AutoCAD web and mobile apps that give the freedom and flexibility to connect to DWG files anytime, anywhere, on any device. Third, I will dive into all the new features and functionality you get with AutoCAD 2022 and how they improve your workflows. Let's start with CAD automations. In today's world, it's more important than ever to work smarter and faster. With an AutoCAD 2022 subscription, you gain access to 7 specialized toolsets with industry-specific functionality, giving you the ability to work faster and be more efficient across disciplines. It's all about having the right AutoCAD for the job. The toolsets have hundreds of thousands of intelligent parts, symbols and features, and they automate creation of annotations, layers and properties, and automate tasks like generating schedules of materials to speed up work. You can take advantage of the toolsets while working in the familiar AutoCAD interface. Now let's look at how you can benefit from using the specialized toolsets. Let's start with the mechanical toolset. It speeds product design by automating mechanical engineering tasks. The intelligent layer management system places items on the correct layer, color, and line type as the drawing is created. With the toolset, subscribers can even create parts with all of the project information, which assists in making complete machine parts. And they'll also get access to over 700,000 intelligent manufacturing parts, features, and symbols. Have you ever wanted to automate floor plans, sections, and elevations? With the Architecture toolset, you can. Use your 3D model to generate elevations and sections without the need to project lines from the floor plan, saving time and freeing you up to focus on valuable design decisions. The toolset gives access to more than 8,500 intelligent architectural objects and styles with features designed specifically for architects. Maybe you wish you had features tailored to electrical design to help create, modify, and document electrical control systems. The electrical toolset gives real-time error checking to help avoid costly errors during the design process. Plus, requested changes are compared with the current project. Comprehensive project reports including components, wires, and schedules of materials can be automatically generated. Studies have shown that the electrical toolset can boost productivity by 95%, and you can quickly design panel layouts, schematic drawings, and other electrical drawings using a library of over 65,000 intelligent electrical symbols. With the MEP toolset, subscribers get specialized MEP engineering features and more than 10,500 intelligent mechanical, electrical, and plumbing objects to draft, design, and document building systems. Easily design ductwork, electrical conduit, and circuiting for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. For an experienced AutoCAD user, tasks that could take 100 hours only take 15 hours with the MEP toolset. Think of what can be accomplished with 85 hours back. These are just a few of the toolsets, and with access to all 7, you get unparalleled tools to increase efficiency so you can focus on what matters most. Now let's take a look at the seamless connections in AutoCAD. AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT subscriptions include the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, which provide quick and easy access to CAD drawings on any device. Our apps make it possible to continue to design and draft with the most up-to-date files while in the field, at home, and on the go. Whether you use AutoCAD for Windows, Mac, web, or a mobile device, be it an iPad, iPhone, or Android device, we have the right AutoCAD for you. You can enjoy a cohesive experience across various platforms and connect to your DWG files wherever you go. Let's take a closer look. The newest addition to the AutoCAD family of products, the AutoCAD web app gives the ability to quickly create and edit the latest drawings from any computer. Now you can mark up and share DWGs directly in the app. It's AutoCAD in the cloud, and it's now available in the same 14 languages as AutoCAD. In addition to the web app, the AutoCAD mobile app lets you extend your workflows from the office to the job site and everywhere in between. With the app, get core desktop AutoCAD tools as well as mobile-only features that let you add laser measurements to DWG files and use the AutoCAD commands you're used to. Get precise drafting capabilities with the app's advanced touch technology. With the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, you can take advantage of seamless connections and work in new ways across platforms. You can also connect to your files in the cloud. Last year, we announced our partnership with Google Drive, which expanded the options, and we have great news. This year, we've added Autodesk Drive and Autodesk Docs connections to the AutoCAD web app so you can conveniently connect to your files within Autodesk. Autodesk Drive is available with all subscriptions and it stores design files such as 2D drawings. Autodesk Docs is a cloud-based document management and common data environment available in the AEC collection. With these new integrations, you can take advantage of anytime access to any DWG file with AutoCAD. To summarise, the key benefits of the AutoCAD web and mobile apps include increased mobility through multi-platform workflows, improved collaboration with new workflows and in-app features, the ability to connect to DWG files anytime, anywhere, and essential drafting tools with the precision, consistency, and fidelity that you've come to expect from AutoCAD. With AutoCAD and the state-of-the-art web and mobile apps, wherever you go, you can have peace of mind that AutoCAD will be there. To conclude, let's dive into the innovative new features and enhancements that have been added to AutoCAD 2022. The new features and functionality let you drive designs forward and use AutoCAD to streamline drawing review cycles, improve your collaboration process, reduce human errors with automation, and more. All of these new features are also included with the subscription of AutoCAD LT. Trace is an exciting new multi-platform feature to streamline the review process and enhance collaboration. You and your collaborators can safely mark up DWG files without altering the existing drawing. Your collaborators can create a trace in the AutoCAD web and mobile apps and mark up their design changes. Then, you can open the trace in AutoCAD, view the feedback context, and incorporate the changes. There's no need for red pens or drafting dots. It's now easier to collaborate on your designs with your colleagues. The new Trace feature provides a safe space to collaborate on DWG changes without amending the existing drawing. It's like having a sheet of virtual tracing paper that's overlaid onto the drawing, allowing collaborators to add feedback into the drawing. While in Trace, using the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, you can use the same drafting and annotation commands that you would normally use. However, the objects are only associated with the trace. In this example, we are creating a trace using the AutoCAD web app. You can also create traces using the AutoCAD mobile app. Share drawings with colleagues who can view the traces in desktop AutoCAD and act on the feedback provided in each trace. Trace includes new system variables that can be used whilst the trace is active. Use trace.snap to control using object snaps on trace geometry. Enter trace fade control to control the amount the trace geometry can fade. Use the trace toolbar to switch the trace geometry to the front or the back of the drawing. Whilst the trace is active in desktop AutoCAD, you can modify the geometry in the drawing. Click the check mark to end the trace. Once the trace is no longer needed, you can delete it from the drawing. Share is another new feature that enhances collaboration. With Share, you can collaborate securely by sending controlled copies of your drawings to your team and colleagues. You can establish different levels of access to those who are view-only and those who can edit. And you can generate share links that open directly in the AutoCAD web app so your team and colleagues can review and edit wherever they are. You can also share directly from the AutoCAD web app. With both Trace and Share, you get multi-platform workflows that make collaboration more accurate, secure, and efficient. To help with drawing collaboration, Autodesk have added a new Share command. Share creates a copy of the current drawing, including any XREFs, and uploads it. You can choose to let collaborators edit and save a copy of the DWG, or make it view-only. You will then get a link you can send to collaborators. The link can be used to open a copy of the drawing in the AutoCAD web app. Links expire 7 days after they are created. This next feature lets you save time and reduce errors. Count automates the counting of blocks or geometry. It cuts down on manual counting, helping to avoid miscounting parts and the ordering of incorrect quantities. You can export your data to a dynamic table and get updates quickly. It's another example of how AutoCAD leverages automations to enhance workflows. Inside of AutoCAD 2022, we can access the Count functionality by going to View on the ribbon and selecting Count from the Palettes panel. This will initiate the opening of the Count dialog box. As we can see, the data displayed is relatively simplistic. The left column lists the various blocks found inside the DWG, and the right column displays the number of instances used. By clicking on an item from the list, this will activate further functionality pertinent to the selected block. It lists the number of instances, displays further information about the block, allows us to toggle back and forth through the inserted blocks, and it enables us to add a count field which is dynamically linked, so if we were to add or copy further instances of the block, this field can be updated to display the correct number. We can even include a dynamically linked table for scheduling the numbers of a single block or multiple block types hosted inside of the current DWG. With Push to Autodesk Docs, you can improve efficiency and reduce steps by publishing your CAD drawing sheets as PDFs directly from AutoCAD to Autodesk Docs. You no longer need to save PDFs locally, open a web browser, and upload the sheets to the cloud. It streamlines workflows within Autodesk. Plus, you can now access your DWG files in Autodesk Docs anywhere with the AutoCAD web app. Using the new Push to Autodesk Docs feature, you can create PDFs from drawing layouts and push the PDFs to a BIM 360 or an Autodesk Docs project. Each layout will appear as a sheet in the Push to Autodesk Docs palette. The number of sheets is based upon the number of layouts in the DWG. You can add sheets from other DWG files as needed, remove sheets from the palette, load an existing sheet list, or save the current sheet list for future use. Select the sheets you want to upload and click on Upload Sheets. Next, select a project folder on BIM 360 or Autodesk Docs where you want to upload the sheets. On the status bar, you'll get a notification that the job is completed. Click the link on the palette to go directly to the project folder in the browser. We heard from customers who wanted a way to view and edit multiple drawings at the same time in a single instance of AutoCAD, and this year, with new floating windows, you can. Floating windows lets you pull away drawing tabs and view them as fully functional windows side by side or on multiple monitors. This lets you view and edit multiple drawings at the same time in the same instance of AutoCAD. Drag a File tab from the application window, creating a floating window. This makes it easy to move the drawing onto another monitor. To return a floating window to the application, drag the title bar to the Files tab. Finally, you also gain enhancements. AutoCAD 2022 offers a faster and customizable installation, letting you even work in AutoCAD while the program is being installed. You can enjoy improved graphics performance and a redesigned Start tab that allows you to easily access files and other helpful content directly from the home screen. Inside of AutoCAD 2022, you'll notice the Start tab. Here, we can use the Open button to open an existing DWG file. Alternatively, we can use the drop-down button to open a sheet set or download a sample file. We can use the New button to create a DWG from the default template file, or the drop-down to browse more templates, get more templates online, or use the Create Sheet Set wizard. View the most recently used documents, open and save files to your connected drives, and explore various online learning content. Autodesk have also provided easy access to important online resources like the What's New, Online Help, AutoCAD Mobile App, AutoCAD Web App, and more. In the announcements area, you'll receive information about product updates, surveys, and Have You Tried articles. And in Connect, you can sign into your Autodesk account to access online services or send Autodesk feedback. Autodesk have included a technical preview of a completely new 3D graphics system being developed. This new graphics system leverages the power of modern GPUs and multi-core CPUs to offer a smoother navigation experience for larger DWGs. By default, the technical preview is turned off. It can be turned on or off using the 3D Tech Preview System variable. When active, the modern graphics system works in viewports using the shaded visual style. You'll need to restart AutoCAD for the change to take effect. With AutoCAD LT 2022, you get the same innovative new features as AutoCAD, plus best-in-class 2D drafting software for precision and speed. And you also get the web and mobile apps, so you can take the power of AutoCAD with you and design wherever you go. Having a subscription has benefits too. You get access to support specialists, the latest updates, flexible term lengths, and administrative tools to easily manage your licenses, seats, and usage. When you subscribe to AutoCAD 2022, you get access to time-saving industry-specific functionality and automations. You get greater mobility and seamless connections with the AutoCAD web and mobile apps. And you get innovative new features that help drive designs forward by streamlining review cycles, improving the collaboration process, reducing errors with automated features, and more.